Assembling your new Lye tank. Please read all instructions thoroughly before attempting to set up or use your tank. You will need the following tools to assemble your Lye tank: wire cutters, open-end wrench and pipe wrench, rag for cleaning the tank, and your instructions. These are the tools you will need as already mentioned. First, you'll want to remove the lid, the instructions, and the box of accessories that came with the tank. Now thoroughly clean and wipe out the inside of the Lye tank using soap and water, making sure to rinse thoroughly. Now place the Lye tank on your work surface, a sturdy table or stand. Now let's look at the accessories that you will need to install. The ball valve, heater thermostat assembly, outlet nipple, and pipe cement. Make sure to follow the instructions exactly, installing the heating element and inserting the capillary tube. Spread pipe cement liberally on the threads of the threaded fitting of the heater tube. Carefully clip the zip tie that is securing the capillary tube and carefully uncoil about 18 inches. As you are turning, screw the heater thermostat into the coupling using the box itself. When it feels like it is getting tight, slow down, making sure that when you get to that last turn, that the cord is in the proper position of up and to the right, as shown in the picture. Screw the heater thermostat into the coupling. Slip the capillary into the capillary tube hole. Run it all the way in until it stops. Slide the capillary tube plug down the tube and push it firmly into the hole, locking the capillary tube in place and sealing the hole. Carefully coil up the excess capillary tube and secure it with a piece of tape or tie wrap. Installing the ball valve and testing for leaks. Place pipe cement to one end of the outlet nipple. Screw the outlet nipple into the outlet coupling. It is the only hole that the pipe will fit in. Use a pipe wrench to tighten. Place pipe cement on the threads of the 1-inch outlet nipple. Screw the 3-way ball valve onto the outlet nipple. This should be tightened using hand pressure only. Be careful not to tighten the large ring on the ball valve when installing. Now put enough water into the tank to check your work for leaks. Now feel around the ball valve and the heater thermostat assembly for any water leaks. To empty your tank, turn the handle on the ball valve to a comfortable flow. When the tank is almost empty, you will need to carefully tilt the tank to remove the rest of your solution. Assembling the handle on the lid. When you receive your tank, the handle will be assembled on the underside of the lid for packaging purposes. Unscrew the 2 nuts in order to remove the handle. You will then place the handle on the top side of the lid, replacing the nuts. Be sure to tighten with your wrench. Never turn power on until the element is covered with water. Check for leaks before filling completely. Purchase a timer and have your lye ready when you are, and make sure you read your instructions. For years of uninterrupted service, please follow the instructions provided with your lye tank.